What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Richie Mo, back at it again with another video. I want to give a special thank you to everybody that's watching the channel. If you're new to the channel, make sure you do two things: like, subscribe, and click that notification bell, man. Right now we're on our way to meeting up with the homie Tyler. Haven't linked up with him in a minute. You know, I just haven't really been out like that, hanging out with people and stuff like that. Just been dealing with what I'm going through, as you guys know. But about to pull up on the homie, man. So he been working on his wide body for his car. I seen on the Instagram and stuff that he's been doing a lot of welding and all that stuff. So yeah, so we're gonna slide up, we're gonna pull up on him, we're going to his house, and we're gonna see how his car looking, man. And I do got some news very soon, so y'all stay tuned for that. But before we go any further, though, we're gonna definitely go pull up to him and see what he rocking, see what his car looking like. You know what I'm saying? It never gets old, y'all. Holy shit, hold on. I can still hear it.
You're a rat.
No.
Damn. You threw fucking water on me. What the fuck?
Damn. The homie Tyler.
Let's get in there.
The wide body. Damn. Oh, yeah, that's going to be sexy. Look at that. Damn. Oh, yeah, that's going to be wet, bro. That shit going to be clean. How long you think you got?
My goal is to have it done and wrapped next weekend. When you and Noah come over and help me with the wrap. When you and Noah come over and help me with the wrap.
This guy.
I already ordered the wrap because we're gonna rewrap the bumper, and then I just want to rewrap the side skirts just because they weren't done. Like, they were done hella quick and and rushed. So Noah said the next session of wrapping, we're going above and beyond, like making sure everything's fucking perfect, because there's a little bit of rushing last time because I was trying to make it to a show.
Right.
Okay, get it on, and then there's some spots I wasn't happy with, so take it off, do it better the next time.
Damn.
But yeah, so I just got a lot of work to do, and I'm just fucking lazy.
No,
I'm tired.
That's a lot of work, though.
I'm
That shit's hella work, bro. Damn, that shit looking good, though. Oh yeah, that shit dope. Damn.
Yeah, look underneath. This is where it all went down. Under here.
Oh shit.
I cut all this out.
Damn. Oh my. You did it yourself?
I did everything myself.
Damn. Oh shit. Damn.
I cut the fender used to be right here.
Right.
I cut it all out.
You cut it all out. God,
I cut
damn.
3.5 inches out.
Yeah. Damn.
Yeah.
How long that took?
Took a couple days.
Couple days.
Yeah, and then you had to. So that's what all this underneath the sealant is part of the body. So you have the outside skin, and then there's the inside skin that comes up into the fender, and so you have to cut it, and then you leave the inside skin there,
right,
and then you put a bunch of little cuts in it, and then you bend it up to fill this. That's all the factory metal, and then we welded that to this underneath, and then grinded that down, made it clean, and then I sealed it with seam sealer.
Oh yeah,
right here,
right there, yeah.
3M seam sealer, and so now obviously, if you get water in here, it's going in the body. It's going to cause rust inside the body, so you got to make sure that that's 100% sealed. And then pretty much yesterday I did all the welding. We just put it. I found out, did all the measurements, make sure they're the same on each side. Put them in. Hold them in with these little rivet things.
Can never go on rivets.
These things.
Oh damn, they look like bullets.
Yeah, they're like temporary. They like open and close. To hold it. So we did that, and then it started just baby welds, and then the body starts to go like this. If you weld too much, you have to do it. Literally, I was doing 1 inch here.
Oh damn, that's tedious.
Back and forth.
God,
and then you gotta wait like 10-15 minutes for it to cool down, and then you gotta go back at it again. And the metal is so thin, so you gotta like have it really low on the welder.
Right.
And that's what makes it kind of like goopy like this.
Right.
It's because it's not really burning, because it's just low voltage.
Gotcha.
So this is, that ain't going nowhere. Yeah, that's sturdy as fuck.
Oh damn. Oh shit.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you solid.
But now, so I'm gonna grind it down, like on the other side here. I started already.
Oh shit.
Like this. It looks like shit because
No.
fucking grinder, but get all the weld down as best I can.
Hell yeah.
And then that's when we're gonna cover this with body fill, sand it down to match the body.
Oh yeah.
And
Oh
then
shit.
This is panel bonded, so that's curing still.
Damn.
That's a little tacky.
But still, fuck it's getting the job done.
Yeah, it's plastic, so you got to basically glue it to that. And I'm still trying to figure out what I'm gonna do with here because I don't want to like leave it cut. So I think I'm gonna take some foam and I'm gonna like fill this with foam, like this whole area, and then just sand it down, sand it down, sand it down.
Oh, so you're saying to kind of match
some people do whole, some people do whole wide bodies, just foam, and they just fucking shape it.
Oh shit,
that's way too much.
That's a lot of work.
Yeah, you gotta be a sculptor damn near to do that.
Damn.
So I'm gonna do it. I'm just gonna do it just for this little end right here, just to make it kind of go into the body.
Into the body,
make it flush. And then fiberglass Bondo on top of that.
Damn. So what's next you gonna do now? Besides, so you got a mold. I don't know the correct term.
Yeah, Bondo molded. That's the one thing why I want to do this is because if you see everybody else's wide body, 90% of people, it's a fucking piece of plastic. Fucking
yeah.
Bolted on. That's it.
I ain't gonna lie, I like the bolts on.
They look good,
though, but then it's not.
Everybody has them.
Yeah, you're right.
So that's why I want to be different. There's not many people with molded flares like this.
Yeah,
and it's
more work. They don't want to do that.
Exactly. It's a tremendous amount of work.
Exactly.
I would have been done by now.
And you said it took a week.
I've been at it a week so far.
Damn.
And then I'm gonna give it another couple days, probably like after work and stuff, like getting the body work perfect and just sitting here sand, and get it nice and perfect. And then whenever Noi comes over, we'll wrap it. Probably take a day.
Yeah.
So that's why by next weekend, I've already missed the deadline for.
It took off some of the paint, huh?
Oh, that's the adhesive. From the,
okay.
I thought so too.
I was like, what the fuck?
Okay. Yeah, that's just the adhesive from the wrap.
Okay. Damn.
Yeah, clean cultures next week. I already missed the deadline to apply because I didn't think I'd be even close.
Don't rush yourself for that bullshit.
Yeah, I was like, whatever. I'll probably pull up with the team though, and just have my car parked outside, and everyone's gonna be like, "What the fuck's this car parked outside?"
Yeah, no, but that's true. Damn, clean culture. Where clean culture gonna be? Stockton again?
Modesto.
Oh yeah, I seen that Modesto.
Yeah, it's deep up there.
Fuck that shit. No, damn, I see though. This shit nice though.
Yeah.
I like that. That shit's dope.
And then while it's up, I'm gonna put the side skirts back on because I got the plastic side skirts.
Oh yeah, you might as well.
I'm gonna repaint them. Put them.
Or do you think you need to hold off because if you gotta wrap that?
Yeah.
Anyways,
that's gonna happen after it's all done. And then when the bumper's off to rewrap the bumper, I'm gonna do what I said I was gonna do last time, and I'm gonna make them the brackets for my diffuser.
Oh
make it chassis mounted, right. Instead of just like because I had it was just like bolted to the fiberglass bumper, right. Like fucking, it stayed there, but like moved around.
Yeah, moved around. Yeah. You want to make sure this shit's sturdy.
So when I take the bumper off, I'm gonna make them aluminum supports to hold the diffuser. Get that
that's gonna be dope.
It's a lot of work.
A lot of work.
So much work.
I bet.
My mom's gonna be doing this bullshit too.
Oh shit!
Yeah, we're redoing all that, so I'm over here with fucking rocks and my back hurts.
So what y'all doing? You getting new rocks, or okay, got you.
Like putting a little mat under it or some shit. So I'm tired as fuck. I don't want to do this no more. I want to pay somebody to grind it, but I don't trust anybody. No. Yeah. Except for like my coworkers, but they're lazy fuckers. Matt, if you're watching this, I fucking hate you, because that motherfucker's supposed to come over hella times and help me weld, but he never did. I was like, bro, I'll fucking hook you up. He's like, no, I'm comfy, I'm posted. I'm like, I hate you, bro.
Fuck. Now, you doing a hell of a good job, bro. You did this shit by yourself?
Yeah, dude. I was so scared about welding because I was like, hey, boss, can I borrow the welder? Yeah, it's good. I borrowed this gas from my friend because my little fucking tiny thing ran out.
Oh, shit.
So I borrowed the gas, and then I've welded, and I've had practice welding, but thin metal's hard to weld because, like I was saying, it warps on you.
Right,
and you can burn a hole through it. And
bro, you could do everything, bro. I'm convinced. Your ass be doing everything.
I try.
No, for real. You doing everything.
I think more than anything, I just don't want to pay someone else to do it.
No, I agree with you 1,000,000% on that.
Like, how much would it cost if I took it to a shop? They'd be
thousands.
probably like, like 2 bands or something. I'm like, I ain't doing all that. I could do it myself and do it just as good.
Yeah, that's true.
Put all that sheet metal knowledge to work.
Nah, that shit looks good, man. Damn. Oh, yeah, I can't wait to see how it looks once everything is done.
Yeah.
With the wheels back there, too.
Oh, I could put the wheels on and drive it right now. And I kind of want to.
It looked bad. I ain't gonna lie, even like this, it still look badass.
I tested it a couple times. Like before I welded on, it was just like it was taped up there, but it was held exactly where it's gonna be. And I aired it out, and it's so close to touching. It's like so close to perfect fitment. I just have to adjust the strut.
Okay.
I can lower. I found out I could lower the strut more because it's maxing out the strut. It won't go any lower. So if I lower that, I measured it. That's why I said 3.5 inches because I cut it because it's 3.5 inches to lay on the ground.
Oh,
from where it was.
Got you.
So now my goal is to have that side skirt touching the ground.
That's gonna be badass. That's gonna be badass. God
Lane,
damn.
frame, and perfect fitment. Because the fitment in the front's already damn near. Yeah, it's pretty much perfect in the front. And then once I get that rear fitment, maybe like camber it, or if I have to, I don't know. We'll see.
No,
not like that,
okay,
bro. Just like
okay.
if I need to bring it in like 2 degrees just to get it.
I feel you.
Perfect.
Right.
You know, because show car, that's what all the fucking car shows are all. That's all they care about. Oh, how's your fitment?
Yeah.
Whatever.
Okay. So he's just testing it out. Yeah. Bust down, Tatiana. Hey. That shit's badass though. Woo! I ain't gonna lie, this shit look mean like this. Like aggression.
Yeah, dude.
That's fucking sick. Damn.
Spray this dirty bitch off.
Damn. I like it. That thing is coming out good. How much it cost to camber it?
$200.
Oh, that's it?
Just arms, and you have to install them.
Okay. Is it like doing like a suspension type shit, or?
Yeah, all it is just one arm on the back, 2 bolts, and then you could bring it in or out, adjust it. So obviously, you push it out of the bottom, it brings it in on the top.
Okay.
So it's all you can see it just barely, just the camber of it being low on bags. Oh, it cambers in a little bit, but if I were to, like I was just aired out, it's still got a little bit left to go because it's sitting on the tire. But I heard it too. I aired it out.
Oh,
I heard the metal like creaking. I'm like, uh-oh.
Fuck.
So if I camber it in just a little bit, like a couple degrees, it's not gonna be one of them fucking Hondas
right
that are like that rolling around on like the corner of the wheel and shit.
Right.
It's gonna be just barely.
Barely.
Just for fitment.
That shit look good. Okay. Shit getting done. Check out that profile right there. That's crazy. Damn. That's crazy.
It's dirty as fuck.